Okay, these are Goldenpaste. I just put them in a bone mold, and each one of these is 1 teaspoon, and my dog is now getting 2 teaspoons for his dose of Goldenpaste. And I freeze them because he doesn't like the taste of them, so I will show you. I just break them in half like this, and then I will show you how I feed them to him. Hi, buddy. Okay, so I got his meatball. This is his chicken, and I'm sticking his turmeric bone in there. So we'll just stick a couple of them in there, like that. Here, buddy. There you go. Can you eat that? Good boy. And the other ones, I have these 2 pieces of the turmeric bone, if you can see, right there, right there. Okay, stick them in there really good. And I'm going to give you this one too, buddy, okay? Can you eat that? I know. Good boy. Good boy. And that is how he eats his Goldenpaste. Good boy. You're such a good boy. You are.